Hey guys, I'm just gonna start this video off with this news. Are you ready? I'm launching my first ever liquid eye paint. This collection is called Beautiful Mess, and as you guys know, Dominique Cosmetics is all about motivation, empowerment, and embracing the beauty within first. And with every product that we launch, there is an inspiring message in there for you to keep with you each time you look at it, use it, you can remind yourself. And with this collection, your personal message is be your own kind of beautiful. Whoever you are, that is beautiful. Embrace it. That's what this whole collection is about, embracing every mood, personality, and vibe. I'll get into all the details, but first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into the beautiful mess. If you're one of those people that just want to get out of the house and just not think about it, this is what you're going to love. The outer box looks like this. There's going to be 3 vibrant and bold colors and 3 neutrals that fit your every vibe, mood, personality. They're here for you. Every detail of the package is well thought out, has a purpose, and I will get into that later because I know you guys want to see the colors. So I have one ready for you guys to see. So here are the 3 vibrant and bold colors, and here are the 3 more neutral toned down shades. And all of these are going to be $20 each, the entire bundle for $96 with all of the shades and this beautiful box. They will all be available on DominiqueCosmetics.com this Friday, August 7th at 10 a.m. PST. Mark your calendars. Send me a photo with your calendar marked. I will repost you. I am so excited for my first ever liquid eye paints. I couldn't even choose which color to do today because I'm so in love with like all of these shades, but I could not decide between these 2 guys. I'm gonna break down each color for you guys, but these 2 are super unique because there are multi-chrome veils. They have a dramatic shift, and I'm gonna show you guys how to wear them and how to use them. So the first one is Electric Soul. This reminds me of Coachella and all the music festivals that I didn't go to this year. Electric Soul is our multi-chrome veil with a green to purple shift, and it's so beautiful. Like, I'm gonna show you guys a swatch right here. It is stunning. You can use it on its own. It's very wearable. I haven't seen anything like this shift in a liquid eyeshadow. So this actually was kind of tricky to create that multi-chrome shift, but we did it, we nailed it, and you can use it alone. If you like more dramatic looks and want more of a pop and punch, use a white or black powder shadow on your lid first, and then pop this on top, and bam, like it will transform your lid. You don't even have to build this up because just with that shadow, it adds a crazy amount of punch to the color, and you're going to literally transform your eyes. Next we have Pretty Wild, who is also a multi-chrome veil. So she's gonna be very wearable at first. If you wanna amp it up, add a black or white powder shadow underneath. So this shade is an orange golden green shift. But if you look at it in certain lights, and same with your eyes, it looks purple, green, orange, like all the shades of the rainbow. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera because obviously I have so many lights, but this is like an insanely beautiful color that will definitely make you stand out. And these shadows are not going anywhere. They're gonna stay on your eye all day. The next bold shade that we have is Cold Heart. Cold Heart is a metallic aqua with a gold shimmer. This is that beautiful, mysterious person that you will never understand. That is Cold Heart. This blue just represents so much boldness, but mystery. All right, so now we're getting into the neutral side. We have Vibey Vixen. Vibey Vixen is a purple with pink shimmer, and Vibey Vixen is just what it sounds like. When I think of this shade, this personality, this is that person you see on Instagram or in real life that is just a baddie in every way that you can imagine. That is this shade right here. This shade looks great on everyone, no matter what skin tone, eye color. It's just very versatile and beautiful on everyone, and I love it. It's a very fun but everyday type of shadow. Daydreamer is a brown copper with a gold shimmer. This one has its head in the clouds, always dreaming of the next big thing, and you just want to be there with them, hanging out with your butterfly clips and your copper gold eyeshadow. This is a shade you can dress up or dress down, but because of the gold shimmers in this shadow, you're gonna feel dressed up and ready for anything. Shy Girl. I love this shade. It's a matte mauve shade. It's the only matte in this collection. You're gonna love how buttery and smooth this shade glides over your lids. It's so soft and it blends like a dream. You can work a shade underneath it, on top of it. It works well with others, and you're gonna really be able to wear this every single day. I actually did a video sneak peeking this on my back to school makeup tutorial because I wanted something more quick and easy. So I just used my finger and pop it on for a look on my back to school video, and I love how it turned out. A lot of you guys liked it. I think this is the shade that is going to be your ride or die. It's a really pretty everyday warm mauve that just elevates your look, and it's gonna look great on everyone. All of these shades are buildable and they make a statement. I'm gonna get into the packaging now. I'm just gonna show you this guy right here. So this box represents the bold shade, and it has Be Your Own's Kind of Beautiful on the side. It has the shade swatched in the front, and if you open it up, it says the Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful quote, and then on the inside you get all the shades flushed inside the box. I just love the inside. It just makes me so happy. It's a small detail, but the small details is what I love. And I'm gonna show you guys one of the neutral shades. So this is Daydreamer. It has the shade on the top. If you open it up for the neutral box, it'll have all of the neutral shades on the inside with our message on the outside, and obviously this box represents all of the neutral shades. So mix and match, have fun. There's no rules or guidance on what colors to use. Just use whatever represents you and makes you feel best. You probably recognize these components as our liquid lips or our glosses, but these actually have a rounded bottom, and this rounded bottom is going to be for all of our liquid eyeshadows that we have in the future and that we currently have. So you'll know it's a liquid eyeshadow by looking at the bottom. And as you guys can see, there is a DC engraved here with a holographic background, and it just kind of reflects every color on the back. It has the quote for the Beautiful Mess collection, and that is Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful. So every time you use it, look at it, just remind yourself to be your own kind of beautiful, because of who you are right now is already beautiful. I can't wait to see you guys in every shade. Comment below which one of these shades represents your vibe and personality. Are you an electric soul, daydreamer, pretty wild? I feel like I'm gonna get all kinds of people in my comments right now, and I can't wait to read through them. Let me know which one you are. Mix the shades up, use them however you want. I can't wait to see your vibe and personality come out in these shades. Make sure to tag me in your photos, tag Dominique Cosmetics, so they can repost you and your looks. And don't forget, it's this Friday, August 7th, 10 a.m. PST. Again, mark your guys' calendars. I love you. Thank you so much for everything you've done for myself and my brand this far. It's been 2 years. We've had so many amazing launches, and I just want to take some time out to thank you for getting me this far, because I didn't get here by myself. It was because of you guys that I'm able to have a brand, and that I'm here right now launching these liquid eyeshadows, promoting a positive motivational message for you guys. Thank you for allowing me to be able to do this, to live out my dreams. Thank you guys so much. I love you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.